Hello and welcome to this brief demo on importing content from Google Docs into Easy Platform. Google Docs is an online office suite. One of the features is a text editor where the editors can collaborate on content online using just the web browser. Easy Platform, on the other hand, is our digital experience platform. One of the features whose is a rich content engine, which allows you to manage content using versions and so on. Our structure here is semantic, so we store relationships between content items and so on. So today our plan is to import this document into internal format of Easy Platform here. The good thing about matching these two systems is that Google Docs is also a structured document like our documents are internally. So it's technically a matching of this structure into the structure that we have in Easy Platform internally. So let's take a look here. We have this document. It has some basic content, text, company, table, and so on. I have prepared a script which will use the Google Docs API and then internally the Easy Platform APIs to create a new document based on this document. Here now in Easy Platform you can see we have our content coming in. So now this is technically, if I would go into the editing function, this would now be a valid document also in Easy Platform. But obviously, because of the collaborative functions, we want to also be able to update this document. So let me just add maybe some details here. So I will make this a heading, and let me make sure there's no extra space. Then maybe add some text here, and then I will add it into this document, and I will also add a link into easyplatform.com here, and here we have the link tool, easyplatform.com. Hit apply. So now we have our document. The system has now saved this document online, but there is no automatic update. So in this demo I will just run the triggering automatically. So now you can see that our script ran through again. So now we should hopefully see some updates. We can see this is now a heading. Then we have also a link here. So all of this is now being updated here, and of course we have a separate secondary item. So obviously we could just indefinitely do more things such as this, but the next thing what we want to do is also demonstrate something a bit more advanced. So inside the Google Docs you can also include other rich items inside here. So for example, inline object element. So most commonly that would be an image. So let's take inside Google Docs, let's take an image. I will search the web. I will select an image of a pony here, and it seems there's a small demo effect. Let's see. Okay, Google Docs got around to finding the image. So now we have our image here. So, and again, it's saved. But the key part here is now when I again execute this script, you can see that it runs through. And if I update it, now we have the image of the pony as well. It's downloaded and synced. So this I can also see here. But the key part here is obviously the Google Docs is a rich, has a relationship to this object, and internally we have exactly the same now in Easy Platform. So if I see the Relations tab, I can see this is actually, there's a relationship to an image, which in this case the script has named Google Docs image KIX and so forth. Here you can see this one, here's the name and everything and so on. So now again, this is where I can also find a relationship back to a document that is using this image and so on. So here, this brief demo shows you how the function works. But if you're interested in how exactly it works on code level and so on, There's a blog post on easyplatform.com describing this very feature, and we also have then this sample code available so you can also try it for yourself. Thank you very much. I hope this video was useful for you.